What's up? What's up? It's a beautiful day outside right now. This is one of the first videos outside that I'm doing with the new camera. You see the house, the fence. I don't have the wind reduction. I should have brought it. The little dead cat, whatever they call it. See the house. It's good. It's the coolest feature I like is that you can control it with your phone, because you know you could look at yourself with the stick and then you could just stop it whenever you want with your phone. I'm gonna bring the wind reduction and see how it does. But I'm about to go run. Here it is. Okay, here it is. I put the dead cat on there. That just sounds funny. It's for the noise reduction in the wind. I went ahead and I installed it, and I came outside to see how it sounds from the first video. See if there's a difference. There is a couple of wind out here. It's not a lot. It's not too windy, but let me know. I'm gonna look at the difference and see what happens. Let me know what you think.